Want to make like counts visible on Instagram again? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to unhide them step by step. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Let's jump in. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account preferences. Scroll down to the What You See section and tap Likes and Views. On this screen, you'll see a toggle for Hide Likes and View Counts. Simply turn it off, and the like counts will be visible for all posts across your feed. If you want to bring back the like count for just one specific post, go to your profile and open the post you want to adjust. Tap the 3-dot menu in the top right corner of the post and select Unhide Like Count from the options. And that's it. You now have complete control over how like counts are displayed on your posts and feed. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy Instagram tips. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.